Hi, Crack Angels. Nessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And today I'm going to use the Country Critters printables from Decorate Your Life from my design team project. And let me tell you, it's going to be a doozy because this is the first time I've ever attempted this. And I'm going to try to do it a little bit backwards in my book. Okay, so what I'm going to do is take my pieces here. I've already inked everything, okay? I'm gonna fold these in half. I'll have the measurements and everything in the description box below and also on my blog. Okay, so these are gonna be the hinges to the pages, or whatever you want to call them. I'm only folding them in half, so I really should get my ball folded, but I'm going to use my roly-poly. My little roly-poly here. Let me see, let me score these because I want to make sure they all come out the same. Okay, so we got this. And yes, I have my coffee. I pre-cut and everything so it'll go a little bit faster for me. These are mostly scored here. Let me see something. Okay. Okay. They're all scored. Now let's just bend them all. And burnish them. So I hope everybody's having fun crafting. See, some of these didn't come out right. This is why I like to fold them by hand. Not the scoreboard doesn't always work, y'all. At least for me. There. Let me get these all folded and burnished. Oh, not that many left to fold. It goes pretty quick once you have them all scored. Okay, one more to go, and we can put the book together. Okay. So we got that all done. And I'm just going to glue them like so. Like that. I'm going to put 2 pages together. Like so. Then I'm going to go to my next one. And this will all be covered up. I still need to snip off a little bit here. And then we're going to put the next page. I'm doing it all ahead. I should have inked both sides of my pages, but that's alright. I can still get pretty much what I want done. And you just keep going. Like I said, all the measurements, everything's going to be down below in the description box. Let me put that. We have a few more pages to go. I'm trying to get them as even as I can. There we go. 2 more pages to attach. Like so. And I'm burnishing to spread my glue no matter what. Last one. So, oh, wait a minute. I have another page. Last one. There we go. Okay. I'm going to take these extra strips and put them to the side. And then we got our little book here. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do next is not these yet. I want to pick my cover page. This is going to be my cover page. This is going to be the next page. Then this one. This one. This is my cover page here. So we're going to put that one to the side. Then we have this one, this one, this one, this one, then this one, and then that choose the final page. So this is my cover. And I will decorate this on another video. So be on the lookout for that. Okay, next page. There we go. Oops, a daisy. And you just bend them back like that so they go flat. Oops. Got 3 sheets left and 5 pages. Well, we'll see what happens with the back page. And I gotta cut more to put on the back side of these anyway. Okay. Almost there. I'm trying to make sure my edges are put down also. And then I go in and I spread the glue to make sure. Okay. Even though I put glue on my edges, I like to spread the glue to make sure everything is stuck down. Okay, so we got all that done. I don't have another big panel to go here, but I need to print more to go on the backs. So well, now let's see if make sure it's recording. I recorded this, thought I was recording, and I put all the pages on the mats on the back side of the pages. But then I realized, I looked at my computer and realized that I wasn't recording. So the book is done, at least for the mats and the base page bases. I will decorate this in the next few videos. So I will say this: please do hit that red subscribe button if you haven't done so already, and hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. Please be blessed, be kind, be caring, be crafty, be safe, be positive, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now.